Missing the Direct3D RM module DLL file hurting your performance? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm here to implement a permanent fix for your gaming stack. This DLL file is the Direct3D Retained Mode library. It provided a high-level API for managing 3D scenes and objects, allowing early game developers to build complex worlds without writing low-level graphics code manually. Now that the background is clear, let's walk through the actual installation steps. The Direct3D RM module DLL is commonly included with older game runtimes. Install the Microsoft DirectX end-user runtime to restore DirectX-based components, then update your GPU drivers if the file is tied to OpenCL, OpenGL, or CUDA. Should the reinstallation fall short, the next step in our protocol is to validate the integrity of your system startup environment. A full system restart ensures that no background processes are currently locking the Direct3D RM module file. A fresh boot allows Windows to reinitialize its library map from a clean state. Take a second to bookmark this page, or hit the like button before restarting. That way, you can easily resume this guide once your system has finished rebooting. I want to share a quick best practice that will help you avoid security complications in the future. The statistical risk of a blue screen of death increases significantly when you attempt to manually swap out critical files like the Direct3D RM module DLL within your System32 or SysWow64 folders. Using a professional maintenance utility is a proactive step toward keeping your system state healthy and your software synchronized. Maintain a more reliable system by reviewing the software resource below related to managing the Direct3D RM module library references. By subscribing, you're ensuring that the next time DirectX Legacy encounters a critical error, you'll have a trusted expert ready to help.